Here we are going to the course Microwave Engineering, and here we are seeing the first section, Introduction to Microwave Engineering. So we know that microwaves are electromagnetic waves. The frequency will be ranging from 1 to 1000 Hz, and these are so called because of their wavelength, as there's a relation between frequency and wavelength, and the frequency and wavelength are inversely proportional to each other. As the frequency will be very high, the wavelength will be very small. Hence, for the microwave, the wavelength is very small, hence the name microwaves. And here are the microwave bands. We can see the bands and the corresponding frequency ranges are shown. L band is C, X, K, K bands, and the corresponding frequency ranges are shown. It ranges from 1 to 40 GHz. And now we will see the advantages of microwaves. First advantage is increased bandwidth. We know that whenever the bandwidth is very high, we can send more information to that. And so it can be used for long distance communication applications. Applications are listed here. And the second one is improved directive conversion. As frequency increases, obviously wavelength will decrease. And the directivity increases, hence the wavelength will be decreased. Power radiated and gain increases, and we can see a relation between gain and wavelength here. And the third one is fading effect and reliability. High frequency applications are there for the microwaves, and the propagation mode will be line of sight, so that the fading chances are less. Hence, it can be called as more reliable. Then the fourth one is power requirement will be very low. The fifth one is transparency property, means it is capable of propagating through ionized universe surrounding the Earth as well as through atmosphere. Okay, now you have to pause the video for a minute. And now write down the applications possible for microwaves in your notes. After writing, you can proceed to the next slide. Okay, so now I hope you have finished writing about the applications of microwaves. Now we will see what are the applications. The first one is telecommunication. We will get the microwaves used for communication applications in various fields. The second one is, as we have guessed, radars. Detected craft, observe and track by the sentence, etc. Then the third one is more familiar to us, microwave ovens. And the machines, drying machines, food processing industry, all are using the heat properties of microwaves. And then the last one is electronic warfare. In the electronic countermeasure and electronic countermeasure systems, we use the microwaves. So these are the applications listed here. Now, thank you.